Kombucha 茶係一個發酵茶，即係你見到我哋嘅包裝啦，都係好多人會誤會係一個啤酒嚟嘅。我哋都可能見到喺市場上，或者係喺一般嘅餐廳啊，出街食飯嘅時候，唔飲酒、唔飲汽水嘅話，其實選擇都係相當少嘅。咁我哋都想打破呢個傳統啦，去 present 多少少 option 俾大眾咯。我平時自己做藝術嗰方面嘅工作，阿 Ash 係一個全職嘅飛機師。
When COVID hit, there was a big downturn, so it was an opportunity for us to start something. So we chose to start a kombucha company.
發酵嘅飲品其實對腸道健康啊都係好有幫助，而我哋香港亦都非常之重視比較低糖嘅 preference 啦。咁其實我哋都見到係絕對會有一個創業嘅機會喺度咯。2021年嘅春季都慢慢就開始咗啦。我哋嘅 kombucha 都係採用最天然、最傳統嘅做法，採用原蔗糖去做發酵嘅做法，亦都係同香檳嘅做法非常之相似啦。喺樽入邊進行第二輪嘅發酵，經過發酵就會帶出好多唔同層次嘅果香同花香嘅。我哋嘅 kombucha 就330 ml 啦，價錢係大概40蚊到一支。我哋每個月嘅銷量都平均可能講2000至到3000支不等。特別係疫情之後，大家都留意到香港喺各行各業都遇到唔同嘅唔少嘅挑戰啦。但係我哋都非常之慶幸喺近呢一年度，我哋都慢慢 customer base 都有增長，開始多咗餐廳啦，由餃子店去到5星級嘅酒店啊餐廳啦，亦都多咗人去留意，去想入我哋嘅 kombucha。呢個對我哋亦都見到依然係有無限嘅 potential 去繼續 grow 我哋嘅 brand。令到我哋最開心啦、最感動嘅時候就係我哋嘅客人同我哋講，呢個係佢哋飲過最好飲嘅 kombucha。見到客人嘅 feedback 啊，或者係做嘅時候有嗰種成功感，呢樣嘢都係令到我哋想繼續 push 落去。
We're very proud of the fact that it's a genuine raw kombucha. We know that our kombucha is beneficial to the community, and I think that's what drives us to really keep it going.